I compared Hyperland, Sway, and i3, and honestly, each one appeals to a different type of Linux user. Hyperland is the flashy newcomer. It's a Wayland compositor with built-in animations, smooth transitions, and a very modern feel. If you want a tiling window manager that actually looks stylish without hours of tweaking, Hyperland is the most visually appealing option. But it's still evolving, so you might run into occasional bugs or breaking changes. Sway is the stable, no-nonsense Wayland alternative to i3. It keeps things minimal, fast, and predictable. Basically i3's layout and workflow, but running on modern Wayland instead of X11. If you want something that just works with good Wayland support, Sway is the balanced middle ground. i3, on the other hand, is the classic. It's rock-solid, lightweight, and extremely stable after years of development. The downside is that it relies on X11 and lacks many of the modern features Wayland provides. But if you want absolute reliability and total control, i3 is still hard to beat. So which wins? If you want eye candy, choose Hyperland. If you want Wayland stability, pick Sway. If you want a time-tested, no-frills setup, i3 remains the most reliable choice.